Getting bubbles when applying self-laminating sheets, you are not alone. The key to reducing bubbles isn't applying more pressure, it's proper alignment and gradual application. Peel off most of the backing liner from one sheet. Leave a narrow edge strip for alignment. Some self-laminating sheets include alignment margins or easy peel relief strips, which can make application easier. Align the edge of your paper with the liner strip first, then slowly begin to roll the paper down. By gradually rolling it down, you allow the air to escape. At this point, it's best to gently lay your paper flat with your hands. You may trim the excess edges according to your requirements. Using the proper application technique can help create a smoother, cleaner finished result. When applying self-laminating sheets, technique often matters more than pressure. Proper alignment, slow application, and gradual air release can all help reduce bubbles.